everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage country style home decorating ideas. Let's explore it. Vintage country style home decor combines the warmth of rural life with nostalgic charm. It's cozy, lived-in, and filled with character. Here are some key elements and ideas to bring this style into your space. Four elements of vintage country style: natural materials, wood, stone, cotton, linen, and wicker dominate the space. Distressed finishes. Furniture often looks weathered or antique. Think chipped paint, whitewash, or natural patina. Neutral and muted colors. Soft whites, creams, shell green, pale blue, and warm browns create a calm, inviting palette. Floral and gingham patterns, common on fabrics like curtains, cushions, and tablecloths. Mix old and new. Blend antique pieces with modern comforts. For example, pair a vintage cabinet with a new cozy armchair to keep it stylish yet functional. Use light, airy colors. Stick to soft colors like cream, pale blue, faded green, or muted pink. This makes your space feel calm, cozy, and classic. Layer textures. Combine different textures like distressed wood, soft cotton, lace, jute rugs, and wicker baskets. It adds depth and warmth. Decorate with everyday items. Turn functional items into decor. Use old messengers for flowers. Vintage teacups as wall art, or hang antique kitchen tools. Bring in nature. Add dried flowers, lavender bunches, fresh herbs in pots, or even floral patterned fabrics for a true country vibe. Display vintage finds. Show off antique clocks, animal pictures, old books, or rustic signs. Don't worry if they are owned. Imperfections add charm. Create a focal point. Use a vintage piece like a farmhouse table, iron bed, or old huts as the centerpiece of a room. Use open shelving. Open shelves are perfect for displaying collected dishes, glass jars, or linens. Keep it curated but casual. Keep it cozy and inviting. Add plenty of soft touches like throws, cushions, candlelight, and warm lighting to make your home feel lived in and welcoming. Extra vintage country decor tips. Use vintage-inspired wallpaper. Soft floral prints, tall patterns, or faded stripes on one accent wall can instantly set the tone of a vintage country space. Display collections group similar items like old glass bottles, antique plates, or vintage kitchen tools on open shelves or wall-mounted displays. Hang up an old window frame or door. Repurposed windows or doors can be used as statement wall pieces, photo frames, or even headboards. Add a farmhouse table, a sturdy wooden dining table with mismatched chairs, creates an authentic, down-to-earth dining space. Create cozy reading nooks. Add an old armchair, a small side table, and a vintage lamp for a peaceful corner full of charm. Use checkered or ticking stripe fabrics, gingham, plaid, and ticking stripes on curtains, cushions, or upholstery. Add that classic country vibe. Incorporate baskets everywhere. Use wicker or wire baskets for organizing blankets, magazines, or firewood. They are both useful and decorative. Focus on handmade and personal touches. Coils, embroidered linens, handmade pottery, and family heirlooms add soul and authenticity to your space. Hang a bag rail or hook board, great for hanging hats, baskets, linens, or vintage tools. It adds charm and functionality to entryways or kitchen. Set up a rustic coffee or tea station. Use an old dresser or console table. Add vintage mugs, a ceramic teapot, and some dried flowers for a cozy drink nook. Use crocks and stoneware jugs, classic for holding kitchen utensils, flowers, or just sitting pretty on a shelf. Add lace or crochet accents. Use lace table turners, doilies, or even old curtains to bring softness and a romantic touch. Create cozy vignettes. Style little clusters of decor, like a candlestick, a stack of vintage books, and a small vase on shelves or tables. Think barn inspired. Sliding barn doors, reclaimed wood walls, or even barn stairs can subtly tie in that rustic country feel. Create a feature wall with reclaimed wood. Use old barn wood or whitewashed planks to add warmth and rustic charm to a single wall. Great for living rooms or bedrooms. Layer curtains with sheer or linen panels. Use breezy sheer curtains underneath heavier natural fiber panels for a soft, romantic country feel. Hang vintage signs or typography art. Look for old store signs, farmhouse courts, or stenciled wood art to add character and a story to your walls. Use vintage logos for storage. Stack old suitcases as a side table or use them under a bench for hidden, stylish storage. Use grain shacks and burlap for dye projects. Recover seat cushions. Make throw pillows or sew table turners with vintage style grain shack fabric or burlap. Decorate with seasonal touches. Swap out simple things like wreaths, pillow covers, or centerpieces to match each season, keeping your vintage country look fresh. Add a vintage chalkboard or message board. Use it in the kitchen or entryway for writing notes, menus, or seasonal greetings. Use mason jars for more than storage. Turn them into candle holders, soap dispensers, pendant lights, or mini flower vases. They are simple and full of charm. Install a plate wall. Hang vintage china or mismatched plates in a creative pattern. Perfect for kitchens or dining rooms. Bring in an antique hutch or sideboard. Feed it with vintage glassware, linens, or rustic ceramics. Bonus, it's beautiful and practical. Thank you so much for watching this video.